happy birthday, king. Yes, because now king that they call their pikin. I say as we dey cook, as I dey make evening food, may we dey gist. Yes, may we talk about this Tonto DK son birthday. About Shoshi and Toto DK matter when dey social media now. No be Toto DK. Toto DK no even talk now. Comment tax. The Ola in-laws. Hello. I dey fear una be baba o. Ola in-laws. Hey. In fact, beat Shoshi, flappe Shoshi, so that Shoshi run. Go off e-comment section. This one enter, this one loud oh, my people. Hey. My people, welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. I bring this gist come for now. Not say yesterday night be King Tonto DK's son birthday. Yeah, that is Tonto DK ex-husband, what we know as a 4 seconds. No be me talk more. And Shoshi, he go Tonto DK Instagram, maybe take picture from there. Then he wish his son happy birthday. My people, as he wish his son happy birthday finish, come see the commenters, people. Now they go there, now they start to the flapper. Vous viens ici pour prendre les photos. Wait for me. They say you come here, come take photo. Of who? Who speaking you want wish happy birthday? Now they start to the bully am. They insult this man, so tell this man run, go off comment section. As he offer, now Tonto DK a friend come outside say, in fact, she the vex. And she not wake up for the right place. Anybody don't come for her. Hey, my people. He start to the launch that Tonto DK sister when he marry Shoshi. Because na Tonto DK sister. My sister I call Tonto DK, say Tonto DK be for her. At the end now, he come marry Tonto DK husband. Sister come marry her. Now understand. You know, now make us they call her Tonto DK sister when he marry Tonto DK ex-husband. And I see as all my people. Now people start to the lash and Shoshi cause of free offer comment section. Now they still face her friend, her wife. That is Tonto DK friend. Come face her friend. He come face Shoshi wife. Come they lash am. Come they beat am with comment. My people. Wetin me want talk for inside? Shoshi, no matter where quarrel, husband and wife, they quarrel. As far as the pikin dey there, that road can never close. Now wetin many of us go know. That road so, now no close road. That road open. Why I say that road open? That road not dey close. Because if the pikin dey do something, the papa must, come in. Or maybe for example now as this pikin dey do birthday, Shoshi not say come outside wish the pikin happy birthday. This the same commenter that will still go in Instagram, that will still start to the lash am. He still talk now, they still lash am. But Shoshi, if you manage meet this my video or see this my video, I want ask you one question. You dey pay your pikin school fees? You care for your pikin? Or maybe Tonto DK no want make you get access to your child? Or now you just leave and say nah, may carry they go. I beg, we need that explanation for Instagram or for anywhere when we know say you go fit talk. Now Tonto DK no want, you can't sneak enter. You can't sneak enter Tonto DK house, come collect a photo. For me, Sha, I don't blame you. You need to wish your child happy birthday because now your child. If you not still do, and we will still talk. Look, Regina Daniel and her co-wife. You know how her husband say wish Moroccan our wife happy birthday. Many people carry am. If they not wish, they go talk. Me, I not really understand wetin the words he need though. But when Shoshi keep on wishing your pikin happy birthday, for me, I not support and say why how you take see your pikin picture, not really matter. So far, care for your pikin, try your best. If her mom see they carry and they run, okay. But if Tonto DK not say me you not see your pikin, me you not pay your pikin school fees, try. Because now your pikin, wetin you do today, and they see father, and so they see mother. Now wetin me get to talk be that. because how we should not still wish her happy birthday with the online will still flap you, latch you well, eh? And if you are a single mother for there, I'll leave you and make una enjoy this video. We now see how many acre when Toto DK issue with her son name. He say for the estate. My people, if you are a single mother, please work for yourself, okay? Work for yourself and be there for your children. Whether you even be wife or whether you there with man, your children, I beg, work for your children. But if you be single mother, not be say this one just come out, you just still go wrong. No planning, nothing. I know say people when you supposed to this video go reach now. Many of them they village, they no fit see am. You see, many of them no, they don't even get access to network. You see, but you when you dey Europe or you dey where network dey, you come across all those kind video. They pick if you are a single mother. Please know your worth. Know wetin you what. You understand? Now wetin I get to talk. Happy birthday, King. Happy birthday to you. Prince, Shoshi, son. Toto DK, son. Now so me know you put my prince, okay? Keep enjoying your day. Now your birthday. No, na pardon, they cook, eh? I'll see you in my next video.
You have an name after you to celebrate your birthday. So let's allow the mom to officially announce it for Kings.
So King Andre is the latest landowner in Doma Garden City, and aside that, King also has his own estate named after him in Doma Garden City. Congratulations!
Congratulations. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. Okay, so congratulations.
Thank you.
So the court will be made known by the grace of God.
Take this out, mine is out.
It's about 50 cents.
You want to hear me? Sure.
No, for the king.
See your court, you have an
Young cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.